Hello everyone, and welcome. In this video, we will learn how to add and edit historical marking periods and historical grades in openSIS. From the side navigation menu, navigate to the Grades module. Under Grades, select Administration. This will open the Student Records window, where administrators can manage report card grades as well as add or edit students' historical academic records. Next, click on Add, Edit Historical Grades. Here, we can view the list of students for whom historical grades can be managed. Students who already have historical grades saved in the system are indicated by the file icon displayed beside their names. For this demonstration, let us select the student Jean Acker. After selecting the student, the Historical Grades window opens, where we can add previous academic records and course grades for the selected student. At the top section, we can see the marking period drop-down. If the required historical marking period is not available, we can create a new one directly from this page by clicking on the Click Here option displayed above. This will redirect us to the Add Historical Marking Period window where we can create a new historical marking period for the student records. A new window will appear where we can enter the school year, marking period name, and grade posting date. The course code field is used to enter the unique code assigned to the course, while the course name field specifies the name of the subject. The percentage field represents the score obtained by the student, and the letter grade field displays the corresponding grade achieved. Quality points are numerical values assigned to grades and are mainly used for GPA calculation. The quality points are calculated by multiplying the grade point value of the course by the number of credits earned for that course. And the Calculate GPA toggle determines whether the selected course should be included in GPA calculation. The course category field helps classify the course under a specific academic subject group, while the grade scale determines the grading format applied to the course. Finally, the credit attempted and credit earned fields are used to record the academic credits attempted and successfully earned by the student for the selected course. Multiple courses can also be added for the same marking period. Let us fill some information to help you understand better. We have to add the school name and grade level of the student as well. Once all the information has been entered, submit the form to save the historical grades. After returning to the student list, we will notice the file icon displayed beside the student's name, indicating that historical grades have been successfully added to the system. Historical marking periods can also be managed directly from the Settings module. To do this, navigate to Settings, then select Grades, and open Historical Marking Periods. Here, we can view, create, and manage historical marking periods in the same way as demonstrated earlier. This completes the process of adding and editing historical marking periods and historical grades in openSIS. Thank you for watching.